I'm Shagufta, Ashraf, a Kashmiri woman with Aneesa Nabi, whose story has already been into the media in front of all the human rights defenders, all the people. Aneesa Nabi is now familiar to all those who wants to raise their voice against any of the discriminations, any of the violences they are facing throughout the world. So I want to share here the experience of entire journey from Srinagar, Aneesa's overall journey from Srinagar to across the LOC line and then throughout to Geneva, United Nations Human Rights Council. We are here after attending the seminars, the sessions, the interventions made by Aneesa Nabi and the whole delegation in United Nations Human Rights Council, Geneva. And here I want to share the experience of her overall hope, array of hope which Aneesa had in the beginning before coming into the council. Throughout that time, she had a single question that whether Shagufta is something is going to happen, whether council can do something for my father, and I had no question at that time. This is what the story of the before the session started, and now I was not able to answer because I was not sure that can council and the entire nation do something for Aneesa. But now at the end of the session, I must say that the reaction, the response by the whole nations, by the United Nations mechanism, and all the people who are basically interested, really interested in human rights defending, they are now in a position to say that yes, if this is a solid and concrete case, as Aneesa Nabi has and rest of the people, children have, if they have same, then definitely there is a pavement, there is a way for moving forward and finding out the solutions of so many cases like Aneesa has. So the pain, the agony, the sorrow which I felt, and now I am satisfied that at least I am now able to say, yes, Aneesa, there will definitely something happen after the session. So thank you very much.